Dashboards help teams and leaders understand how work is flowing and where attention is needed. When dashboards are built on consistent data and clear definitions, they become reliable tools for daily decisions and long-term planning. Now, different roles need different levels of visibility, and dashboards help present the right information to the right audience. A team dashboard focuses on what the team needs to act on today. It highlights active work, blockers, and items that need to be completed soon. This view supports stand-ups, planning discussions, and quick decisions about where to focus effort. A leadership dashboard looks at broader patterns. It highlights trends in delivery speed, quality, and risk across multiple teams. Leaders use this view to understand predictability, identify systemic issues, and support planning at a higher level. And even though the views differ, both dashboards need to rely on the same underlying definitions and data. Without shared definitions of states, work types, and metrics, dashboards become inconsistent and then lose trust. Action views help teams to decide what to do next, while governance views help leaders to understand whether the system is healthy. So keeping these views separate makes sure that each audience gets the information that they need without clutter or confusion. Now that brings us to analytics. Analytics provides the structured data that makes dashboards accurate, consistent, and trustworthy. Azure DevOps Analytics serves as the foundation for reporting. It provides a reliable and optimized way to access data without relying on direct database queries. Analytics includes curated datasets that cover work items, pipelines, and test results, and more. And these datasets are designed to work and support reporting without requiring teams to understand the underlying database structure. And many built-in widgets and reports rely on analytics. This makes sure that dashboards show accurate and up-to-date and consistent information. And because analytics handles the data model, teams don't need direct access to the operational database. This reduces risk and makes sure that you have consistent reporting across the entire organization. And for more advanced reporting needs, analytics integrates with Power BI. This allows teams to build richer dashboards and combine Azure DevOps data with other business data. Now, analytics views help teams to define reusable data sets that support consistent reporting across dashboards and tools. When creating an analytics view, teams start by defining the scope. This includes selecting the project, the team, and work item types that should be included. Filters can then help narrow the data set to the most relevant items. Teams can filter by things like area paths, iteration paths, tags, or workflow states to focus on the data that matters most. And teams can choose which fields to include as well. So this would include dates, states, or even custom fields. They can also include history to support trend reporting. And once the view is created, it can be shared so that others can build dashboards using the same dataset. This ensures consistency across teams and reduces duplicated effort. Now, dashboards are built from widgets that help teams to visualize flow, quality, and delivery signals. Various widgets like lead time and cycle time widgets can help teams understand how long work takes to complete. Control charts show trends and variation, helping teams to identify delays or instability. The cumulative flow diagram shows how work accumulates in each workflow state, helping teams to spot bottlenecks. Velocity widgets then show how much work is completed with each iteration, supporting planning and forecasting. And query results help teams to highlight items that might need some attention, like blocked work, aging items, or high priority issues. The query results widget supports daily decision making. And the chart for work items widget helps teams to visualize work by state, type, or other fields. Trend views help teams to understand whether they're improving or if they're falling behind. And Markdown widgets help teams to document definitions, link to playbooks, and simply provide context. This makes sure that dashboard viewers understand how to interpret the data that they're seeing. And finally, dashboards only work when the underlying data is clean and the right people can manage them. Permissions help control who can modify dashboards, and this prevents accidental changes and ensures that dashboards remain reliable. Queries that are used in dashboards need to be shared so that others can view the same data. Shared queries help to maintain consistency across teams. And dashboards are only as accurate as the data behind them, so teams need to update workflow statuses consistently and follow shared definitions to keep dashboards trustworthy. And lastly, teams need to make sure that their areas, iterations, and board columns reflect how they're actually working. Misaligned configurations can lead to misleading dashboards and therefore poor decisions. At the end of the day, dashboards become powerful tools when they're built on clean data, shared definitions, and clear role-based views. With these practices in place, teams and leaders can make better decisions and improve flow with confidence.